Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa and welcome to Arts and Crafts Storytime. Our craft this week is a dragon finger puppet. And our story for this week is How to Draw a Dragon by Douglas Florian. Drawing dragons isn't hard. Drag a dragon to your yard. Dragons may be large in size. You'll need lots of art supplies. Dragons, when they wake, are grumpy, and their heads are rather bumpy. Soothe your dragon with a song as you draw his teeth so long. Careful when you draw each claw. Dragons also love to draw. Draw your dragon's pointed spines using lots of jagged lines. While your dragon's laying eggs, take the time to draw her legs. Dragons have large knobby knees, and it rains when dragons sneeze. While you both ride on your bike, you can draw your dragon's spike. Draw your dragon's wings in flight, but don't look down and hold on tight. Draw your dragon's bearded chin while he plays the violin. Draw your dragon's bulging eyes as she's watching dragonflies. Dragon fire has reds and yellows, and it's good to toast marshmallows. Time for dragons now to fly. Give a hug, then wave goodbye. All those dragons had to go. But your drawings in a show. The end. Now, for the craft, all you need is the puppet template, which is available on our website, scissors, tape, and crayons or markers. All you need to do is decorate your dragon, cut it out, and put tape on both ends to form a ring. Then you can fold your dragon's head down and get ready to go on an adventure. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.